Hello viewers, welcome back to another section of my YouTube channel tutorial. In this video, I have the application of Kirchhoff current law. In this figure I have here, I'm going to find the value of I, and that's the question. So you have to find I in this figure. So how do you apply the Kirchhoff current law to find I in this figure? Kirchhoff law is saying that the current law is saying that when you take any junction or any node in a circuit, the sum of currents arriving is equal to the sum of currents leaving. Now this is I. So the first thing to do is you come to I. Which node is I? This is a node where you can find I, right? Then you ask yourself, what are the sum of currents arriving at this junction? And what are the sum of currents leaving? So you realize that the sum of current arriving, this 5 amperes is coming here, the 7 amperes is leaving, then I is leaving. Then there is another current that will be coming from this side but wasn't indicated. What was indicated, so we have to indicate it, and let's say give it B. So from this, the next thing you're going to do is, now you can see that B is entering, 5 amperes is entering, so entering is equal to B plus 5. That is B plus 5 is entering. Then leaving is equal to I and 7 amperes, so I plus 7. So we can say that B plus 5 is equal to I plus 7 by KCL. Now we need B in order to find our I. Where is B coming from? B is coming from this node. So at this node, we also come again. What are the sum of currents arriving at this node? We have the 2 ampere arriving, the 6 amperes arriving. So entering, so let's make here node 1 and here node 2. So this node 2 and this node 1. So entering in node 1, I have 2 amperes and 6 amperes. So 2 plus 6, and that will give me 8. Then leaving in node 1. Leaving in node 1, I have 3 amperes and I have this B. So 3 plus the B. So I can say that 8 is equal to 3 plus what? B. Therefore, B is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. Right? So at this point, I have B. So I go back to my first equation here. So B plus 5 is equal to I plus 7. Since B is 5, I'll have 5 plus 5 is equal to I plus 7. So I'll have I to be equal to 10 minus 7. I is equal to 3 amperes. Thank you. This is the end of this video. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, like, and share.